Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bumblebee from Transformers, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to get started by splitting our paper directly in half. We're going to come across on the left hand side. We'll draw in a nice big circle for that left eye. We'll line this up at the same height, leaving a gap in the middle and replicating this on the right. Let's add in the highlight on our eye now. So coming in towards the top left corner of both eyes, we're going to draw in a small circle for that highlight. And now for the pupil in the center of the eye, we're going to start on the side, drawing in a nice big circle, connecting this, pulling this round to the top. And then now from here, let's just color in our pupil black. Now let's come down and draw in the center for the mouth. So we're going to draw in an arch line right in the middle. We're going to curve this out on the side, flattening this out as we pull this down on the bottom. We'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side. We're going to close this off on the bottom now with a curved line from left to right. Let's step into the center. We're going to bring this line up and through. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side, blending that back in together on the top. In the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line right on the bottom. And then we'll just replicate that shape. So on the left hand side, bringing this up, across, and then back down on the right. Now let's move up. In the middle here, kind of from corner to corner in the middle, we're just going to draw in a straight line across. We'll close this off with an arch line on the top. Now let's move up. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line out just to the side of our eye. Maybe slightly shorter. Now we're going to step up. We're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out towards that eye now. Now from here, we're going to go around the eye. So we're going to curve this all the way around, down, and then in towards the middle. And then we'll replicate this on the right hand side as well. Blending that back in together. Now in the center, we're going to curve this up on both sides, leaving quite a big gap there. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. We'll draw in the transformer symbol right in the middle. So on the top, we're going to curve this line up and down. And then we'll bring this line out towards the side. Now from the corner, we're going to pull this diagonal line in for the side of the head. And then again, we're just going to close this off, curving this around and through for the bottom. Let's split the face in half. So leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. And then we'll draw a curved diagonal line coming through towards the top. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in another curved line. And then we'll draw in two diagonal lines joining at a point in the middle, creating an upside down triangle. Now in the center, we're just going to draw in two straight lines across. We'll come up. We're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides for the eye. And then from here, we're going to round this out, curving this around and up on both sides. And then we're just going to color that in black. Now from here, we're going to draw in another diagonal line from each eye coming down towards the bottom. Now let's step over. We're going to draw in the little antenna ears coming over. So we're going to leave a gap coming down, and we're going to round this out on the bottom, curving this across. We will do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height on the left. Now on both sides, we're going to pull this line through on a diagonal towards the top. And then we're going to round this out, curving this around, in and back through, almost creating an oval, just connecting it from line to line so it's not complete. Now we can finish the rest of the head. So on the top, we're going to curve this down towards those ears. And then as we step in, we're just going to arch this down and through towards the top there. Now let's close off the side of the head. So we're going to round this out, curving this down, pulling this through towards the bottom. And then we'll close off the bottom of the head, just curving this in towards that line on the very, very bottom there. Let's draw on Bumblebee's ears. So we're going to come out on the top. We're going to curve this out. We'll come through on the bottom. We'll kind of tick this up on a diagonal, ending that at the same height. Now let's close this off on the side. We're just going to curve this down, connecting that together. Now let's come down and draw on the body. So on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve this line out for sort of the chest template here. And then on the side, we're going to curve this in again, ending this at the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line now. Let's step up for the neck. We're going to round this out, curving this over and through on the side. Let's come down on a diagonal from this. We're going to draw in a nice big circle for that headlight on the left. And we'll do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height on the right. Great, now let's come in on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a smaller circle. We'll do this on both sides. And now from this line, we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming through towards the bottom. Let's continue with the rest of the body as we come down. So 2 small diagonal lines coming through, ending them at the same height. Let's move in towards the center. We're going to curve 2 more diagonal lines coming through towards the middle. And then we're going to flatten that out on the top. Now from here, we're going to draw in 2 more small diagonal lines coming out. And then we'll curve these in towards the bottom. Now from here, let's round that out with a curved line from left to right. Now on the top from that corner, we're going to curve this out, extending that just past the line we have on the top there. Let's move down again, replicating that. So from that bottom corner, curving that out, ending this at the same height. And then we'll just close this off on the side with a slight curved line. Now let's come down. On the outside portion of the leg, we're just going to curve a small line that comes down on both sides. And now we're going to draw in a nice big oval from this line. So we're going to curve this all the way around, pulling that back through, connecting that. On the side here, on the back, we're going to curve this around and down. Now on the inside, let's curve this back up. We're going to tuck this back through and down towards the bottom for the foot now, coming through. We'll do the exact same thing on the top. We're just going to make this line shorter. Now from here, on that line, we're going to curve this line over, extending it just past this line on a diagonal. And then from that point, we're going to curve this up, connecting it to that line, rounding it out, pulling it back down. Let's move back. Let's replicate that one more time, just slightly shorter. So from the corner to corner here, with a nice big arch line there. Let's move down one more time. On the back, curving this down. And now from here, we're going to curve this over, ending that at the same width. And then again, we'll just round this out on the side. Now that the body is complete, let's come up and do the arms. So we'll start with the shoulder. We'll start on the corner here. We're going to curve this line up and down. From this point, we're going to curve this down, up, back in. Let's come through underneath. So from the inside here, we're going to curve this out and across. Now from this line, let's extend this diagonal line up. We'll pull this diagonal line through towards the top. And then from this point, we're just going to curve this around and down for that forearm there. Let's move in, closing off the center. So we're just going to, from that point, draw in a small diagonal line coming up. And then right in the middle here, just a nice big arch line. Let's close off the back. From that point, we're going to curve this line back down. And this is just going to end slightly shorter than the line on the front. Let's finish off his hands now. So coming down for the corner bracket of the fist, we're just going to draw on an arch line. Now for that first finger, curving this around and up. Let's move across in the middle, replicating that again. And now again, one more time, we're going to curve this around, pulling this all the way through, connecting that in. If our line's just a little short, we'll just connect that after. And that is it. That's how you draw Bumblebee from Transformers. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.